Hey divas, Kaden here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the Saunders family. In today's video, I'll be doing my weekly laundry routine. Now, this is a little bit different because I'm 9 months pregnant, so I'm trying to do a little nesting. I'm gonna get all this out the way before the baby gets here. First things first, I like to go ahead and sort out all the laundry. So I like to go ahead and wash my daughter's clothes separate from me and my husband. So I went ahead, separated them in whites, lights, and darks. And this is my first load. So my first load is the lights for my daughters, and as you can see, this is a pretty much heavy load, so I went ahead wash it on heavy. I do not use all that extra stuff. I just go in with some laundry detergent, scent beads, and some fabric softener. So this will be the first load. While the laundry is going, I like to go ahead and find little stuff around the house to do, but because I'm pregnant, I'm gonna just go ahead, sit back, relax, and wait to start the next load. I did a total of 8 loads, and trust me, it was not easy. I completed it over the course of 2 days. So imagine me being pregnant and doing the laundry, 8 loads of laundry. It's gonna take some time because I do not go to the washer as soon as the load is done because I'm so exhausted. I give myself some time in between, so it took me 8 days. Not 8 days, but 2 days. I hope this gives you guys some motivation to get up, find something to do around the house, do the laundry, clean the house, do the dishes, just fold some clothes, do whatever. Or if not, you can just go ahead, sit back, relax, and enjoy. This is a repetitive process, so I won't be talking all through it. I'm just gonna go ahead and wash, dry, fold, and repeat. So it's just like it's a cycle. So I'm gonna do that over the course of 2 days, and I hope you guys just sit back, relax, and enjoy. I'm gonna go ahead and try to fold after every drying cycle. So I'm gonna go ahead, wash, dry, fold as I go along while I can, because if I let this all pile up, I won't be able to fold them because I've done that before, and trust me, that does not work out pretty well for me. So I'm just gonna go ahead, fold as I go along. Whenever I'm folding the laundry, I like to go ahead and separate the girls' clothes. So I put Abriana's pajamas separate from Adriana's pajama, and the list goes on because their clothes, I do not mix their clothes in their drawers. They have their separate drawers. So I do that so that whenever I'm ready to put away the clothes, they're in order. So I don't have to go through it. I just go ahead, take this up, and put it where it's supposed to go. Trust me, if you haven't tried this yet, please go ahead and try it because it's going to make it way easier for you. It's going to save you so much time. I love to go ahead and clean my lint trap after every drying cycle because trust me, I do not want a house fire. It's better to prevent it than to be sorry. It's better to be safe than sorry. So I love to go ahead clean my lint trap. So go ahead guys and clean your lint trap. You can cause a house fire by not cleaning it. I know a lot of persons dread doing this part of the laundry. Now, if you have a service member who is in the military, I can speak for the military because my husband is in the military. I've been washing his uniforms for the past 7+ years, and trust me, I have not get not one ink on any of those. Now, the key to doing that is to go ahead and double check their uniforms. Now, when my husband gets home, he'll go ahead, take his uniform off, throw it in the laundry, he'll check it. But guess what? I'm gonna go ahead and double check because right there somewhere there's a pen hiding. So I like to go ahead and double check to ensure that there's no pen so it will not get inked. I know a lot of wives says, "Oh, I do not wash my husband's uniform because they get really mad when you ink their clothes, so they'll let them do it themselves." But what I love to do, I like to go ahead and double check. Just that's just what you need to do. Just go ahead, double check to prevent getting inked. Now it's time for me to do my whites. Now, whenever I'm doing my whites, I do not use bleach because not all whites can take bleach. The bleach will change the color to like a yellow color. So I like to go ahead and use some vinegar instead. So I use vinegar over bleach on my whites. And guess what? My laundry is not complete without my little helper. She's gonna come and help me every single time. here you go, guys. You've made it to the end of this video. Please don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you're new, please go ahead, subscribe, and become a part of the Saunders family. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.